Let's learn the formation of Vyanjan J. Who all are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also like and share it. And my regular students, please like and share the channel. Thank you so much. This is a vertical line. In the center of the vertical line, I draw a small horizontal line. I just draw 1/4 of it, see the measurement, just a 1/4 of it, and I just turn backwards without picking up my pencil, and I make a curve. I make this curve and then I go straight upwards, and the height should be just equivalent to this area. Here I draw a line, a horizontal line, curve, and go up, stop. And now go up and make a horizontal line on top, which is the roof of the word type. I'll write it for you once. So here I draw it like that, and here from the center I make a small one. I make a curve and I go up. Yes. Here I go. That's a J. So we read some words with J in them, and it's not just J. You have to always see that whatever matra is added to it, the sound of the J will be in combination with the matra. This is J, this is A, so this is Ja, this is O, so this is Jo, this is A or I, and so this is J or Jai. This is G, because this is a E. When I combine the matra and the Vyanjan together, then I'll say G. Here, the main line of the J is missing. That means this is half. So I have to make a very short sound, J. This is J, again J. This is U. So I combine the two and I say Ju. This is E. So I say G. That's a The muscles of the bridge of the nose, you're going to tighten it. So you'll say Jung. And now here it's a J with a or I. One and the same thing but two different sounds. So this is J or Jai. Both are used. This is a and J, A is J. So this is not a J mein A ki matra. This is a simple, it's J. So this is U, so this is Ju. Same. The rest is all J here. Let's read them. Jalaj, Jalaj, Jal, Jor, Jaise, Jitse, Jyot, Jahan, Jagat, Juban, Jeeb, Jung, Jain or Jain. The same way, Jaise or Jaise. There is a rule comes when will you be saying A and when you will be saying I. There is a certain rule there. We'll do it some other time. Jeb, Juta, Aaj, Aajkal, Jal, Jalad, Jag, Jarur. You see, this is Aaj. And here if I break these two words, it's Aaj and Kal. But if I bring Aajkal together, then it's an entirely different word. Yes? And here this is Jag, Jag. The moment I put a dot on top of it, this also if I remove the dot, it is Jag, Jag. But if I put the dot, then it is Jung. The meaning of the word has changed just because of that dot there. Let's read once again. Jalaj, Jal, Jor, Jaise, Jaise, both are correct. Jise, Jyot, Jahan, Jagat, Juban, Jeeb, Jung, Jain, Jain, Jeb, Juta, आज, आजकल, जल, जलद, जग, जरूर. I have used this word so that I can just refresh you with the U ki matra that is put in R. In the others it's put below, but in R it's put here in the center. So you can just go and look up my lesson about the U ki matra in the R and you'll get it how it has to be placed. Let's read sentences with the Vyanjan J in them. कमल को जलज, जलज भी कहते हैं. जलद, जलद बादल का पर्यायवाची शब्द है. I have made a lesson on rave. You can go through that. जल्दी, जल्दी में गर्म चाय पीने से मेरी जी. See, there's a E की मात्रा. So now I will not read it as j. I'll combine the two and I'll say जी, जीभ, जल, गई. जंग, that's a nasal. You have to tighten the muscles at the bridge of your nose. Jang, so j, jang. Jangal mein, here the vertical line of the j is missing, so this is half. So I'll say j. Jyadatar, जंगली जानवर दिखते हैं. जगत, जगत के ईश, जगत के ईश we say जगदीश. जगदीश is भगवान जी. जगदीश के समक्ष, समक्ष, again the vertical line of the j is missing, so I have to speak out the j quickly. ज्योत, जलाते, जलाते हैं और. You can say और, and if people say or, it is just fine. सबके मंगल की प्र and the a, pra, and then the ref, प्रार्थना, प्रार्थना करते हैं. जल तुरंत, जल रही वस्तु को जलने से बचा लेता है. I've used the jal twice. Here it means water and here it means burn. जहाँ जूते रखे हैं वहाँ जल्दी से सफाई कर दीजिए. The combination G A, दीजिए. जहाँ जूते रखे हैं वहाँ जल्दी से सफाई कर दीजिए. Let's read them once again. कमल को जलज भी कहते हैं. जलद बादल का पर्यायवाची शब्द है. जल्दी में गर्म चाय पीने से मेरी जीभ जल गई. जंगल में ज्यादातर जंगली जानवर दिखते हैं. जगत के ईश, जगदीश के समक्ष ज्योत जलाते हैं और सबके मंगल की प्रार्थना करते हैं. जल तुरंत जल रही वस्तु को जलने से बचा लेता है. जहाँ जूते रखे हैं वहाँ जल्दी से सफाई कर दीजिए. We can also say जहाँ जूते रखे हैं वहाँ जल्दी से सफाई कर लीजिए. The G is in both दीजिए and लीजिए.